What's up YouTube? This is Rashad on our Tech Reviews. If just like me you are still a fan of Blackberry Passport and you want to use it as your second phone, or maybe some of you want to use it as a first phone, but because there is the most important software that we're using now, the WhatsApp for these phones, you have to put it away. But I have a solution for you. So if you try to download WhatsApp from the Blackberry world, you will not even be able to find it in the list of Blackberry apps. But don't worry about that. And no, I'm not going to suggest you to use WhatsApp 10 or any other third-party application. Just go to the whatsapp.com and press download now. As you can see, there is no Blackberry Passport in the list, but it's okay, don't worry. Go to Android section and press download now. Save the file to your device, wait till it downloads and launch it. Follow all the usual steps, enter your phone number, validate it, and there you go. You can now use your fully functional WhatsApp on your Blackberry Passport. I hope you found this useful and you are going to install the WhatsApp on your Blackberry Passport device and continue using it. Don't forget to subscribe to get notifications about my new videos. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.